Hello everyone and welcome back to another cozy XMAX creation video. Today we are going to explore XMAX craft ideas all made with simple, affordable and recycled materials. You don't need to spend much to bring the magic of XMAX into your home. Just a few things like pinecone, jute, some glue and creative hearts. Sit back, relax, let's enjoy the peaceful crafty journey together. If you want to take ideas we give you idea, try to give you idea like this. Let's begin with paper strips. Cut out strips with colorful wrapping paper, all magazines or craft sheets. You can fold, curl or twist them into stars, hearts or rings. Hang them as garlands or glue them into X-Max ornaments. Each strip becomes a story, simple but full of joy. Now fake a new strips of red and green paper, glue them around a glass jar and piece a tea light inside. In seconds, you will have a glowing X-Max lantern. The light through those paper strips feels so warm, so calming, just like X-Max memories from childhood. Next, we will use jute and burlap strips. Wrap them around old bottles or mason jars. Tie them with small ribbons and decorate with pine cones or berries. These make perfect table centerpiece, rustic, elegant and affordable. Don't throw away old fabric. Cut it into strips and twist them into tiny wreaths or bows. Add a few bands or small ornaments and you have handmade X-Max decorations that look straight out of a store. The calm is in the texture. Rough jute, soft fabric, shiny ribbon, each strip brings new feelings of X-Max magic. Now let's make a stripped wall hanging. Take cardboard, glue strips of paper or fabric in a pattern, red, white, gold. You can hang it behind your X-Max tree or above your table. It adds colors and warmth to your space. Add sticks or twigs for a natural look. Glue them in pattern or frames. Then attach small ornaments or fairy lights. Nature and crafts come together beautifully. Sometimes the simplest thing, a piece of wood, a paper strips, a pine cone, create the most magical X-Max scenes like centerpiece, like wall hanging decoration and many more ideas you can create with your mind. It's a beautiful therapeutic things. Psychiatrist says it's a therapeutic things. Craft is a very beautiful things. It create dopamine hormone which is happiness hormone. We have made paper, jute and toy crafts. Now let's try recycle craft. Use old gift bags or leftover wrapping papers, strips to decorate picture frames. Cut out X-Max trees to snowflakes from a strip and paste them on windows. Even old ribbon can turn into curtain tie bags or gift toppers. Each little craft saves money, saves waste and spread joy. That's the real beauty of a cheap X-Max decoration. It's made with heart. You don't just decorate your home, you decorate your mood, your peace, your happiness. And there you have it. X-Max magic made with love, creativity and care. Remember, the cost doesn't matter. What matters is the thought, the effort and the joy you put into every piece. As the lights twinkle and soft music fills your home, take a deep breath, smile and feel proud of your handmade X-Max world. Thank you for watching and may your holiday be full of warmth, creativity and peace. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day to you. God bless you all. Wishing you a very happy festival. I hope your festival will be the most beautiful festival in this world. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy and beautiful holiday. Have a very nice day and God bless you all. May your home fulfilled with love, creativity, happiness, togetherness, and many more you have in your life what you want to achieve. Thank you.